Hello, how are you students? Now in this video we'll discuss about Read Aloud. So today's video is about something important. Many students face challenges when it comes to the Read Aloud section, which prevents them from achieving their desired band scores. So, in today's video, we will discuss how to effectively practice the Read Aloud and perform well in the exam. Sometimes during practice, we come across difficult Read Aloud passages with hard vocabulary, which makes pronunciation challenging. When students encounter such difficult words, they tend to skip them because they can't pronounce them. Now, imagine if the same Read Aloud passage appears in your exam. You won't be able to skip it there, so instead of skipping, try to read it and understand the vocabulary. If you don't know a word, click on it and listen to its pronunciation 2, 3, or even 4 times, whatever it takes. Practice it until you're confident so that you won't face any issues in the exam. You should aim to practice 40 to 50 Read Aloud passages daily to improve your performance. For the words you struggle with, write them down in a notebook and practice pronouncing them repeatedly. You can also click on the word for the pronunciation and listen to it several times to ensure you're saying it correctly. This will significantly improve your performance. Remember, practice doesn't mean spending your entire day on Read Aloud. You need to work on other modules as well. However, make sure you practice at least 40 to 50 passages or 1 or 2 YouTube videos daily, and you will start noticing improvement within a few days. One important tip for the exam: when reading a Read Aloud passage, stay calm and focus on the passage. If you come across a difficult word, don't panic. Just try to pronounce it as clearly as possible. Slow down your reading speed slightly so that you can pronounce each word correctly. If a word feels difficult, try to understand the meaning from the context of the sentence. Often, the sentence itself will help you pronounce the word more easily. So, don't worry too much. Practice regularly, and when it's time for your exam, don't hesitate. The exam typically doesn't include vocabulary that's too difficult to handle, so stay calm and give your best. You can definitely clear the exam and achieve your desired band score. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and also let me know what topic you'd like to see in the next video. Thank you.